If Grammarly is blocking an app that you want to use again, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock blocked apps from Grammarly in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can save you a lot of frustration if Grammarly accidentally blocked an application you still need for work, school, or everyday use. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to open Grammarly settings. You can do this by right-clicking the floating Grammarly widget icon on your screen or by clicking the Grammarly icon in your Windows system tray. Once the Grammarly menu appears, look for the settings window and open it. This is where Grammarly keeps all of its app control options. Next, go to the Block List tab. Inside the settings window, you'll see different sections, and the one you want is the Block List tab. Click on that tab to view every application Grammarly has blocked. After that, look under the section labeled Blocked by You. This is the list of apps that were manually blocked in Grammarly. Find the application you want to unblock and then click Remove next to it. As soon as you remove it, Grammarly will no longer block that app, and it should be allowed again. If you don't see the app right away, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you don't remove the wrong one. And that's it. Once you've clicked Remove, the app is unblocked from Grammarly. It's a fast process, but it can make a big difference if you rely on that app daily. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.